You've probably seen the kits in drugstores. A quick swab of your cheek, and boom, your ancestry and health insights. But now the company behind it, once worth billions, has filed for bankruptcy. How does a tech darling become a cautionary tale? Let's break it down. In the next few minutes, you'll learn what caused 23andMe's fall, how a promising business model ran out of steam, and the lessons every entrepreneur needs to know. Back in the early 2010s, 23andMe seemed unstoppable. For around $99, millions of Americans learned where their ancestors came from, what genetic traits they carry, even potential health risk markers. It was personal, it was viral, it was fun. Millions bought kits. At its peak, the company was valued at around $6 billion. But here's the catch. People used it once, and then stopped coming back. DNA doesn't change. Your ancestry doesn't change. And once someone gets their results, there's often no reason to return. That means no recurring subscription and no habit-forming product. 23andMe tried premium subscriptions and membership services, but they never became essential enough to keep people paying long-term. Sales stagnated, demand fell, and revenue weakened. This is the classic trap of a one-time purchase product without a follow-up loop. To solve the revenue problem, leadership made big bets. 23andMe expanded into drug discovery and therapeutics. They expanded into telehealth services and made big acquisitions like a $400 million telehealth company, spending tens of millions. These moves weren't cheap, but they didn't pay off. Instead of strengthening the business, they drained resources. Then came the data problem. In 2023, nearly 7 million users' genetic data was exposed in a major breach. This struck at the heart of 23andMe's value proposition: trust in safeguarding your most personal information. Customers were unsettled, user confidence dropped, and lawsuits followed. Even a $30 million settlement wasn't enough. By 2024 and early 2025, revenue had collapsed. Layoffs cut off about 40% of the workforce. The stock price fell to tiny fractions. In March 2025, 23andMe filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, officially starting a court-supervised restructuring and asset sale process. Even the co-founder stepped down as CEO amid the turmoil. Success isn't just about a cool product. It's about durability. You need all four to survive: recurring value, trust, execution, and a business model that scales. 23andMe didn't fail because people stopped caring. It failed because the fundamentals stopped working. As this story settles with you, remember, clarity and fundamentals matter more than hype. Kindly share, like, and subscribe to the Blessing Minds channel. And please share this video so we can keep creating more and more content for you.